how to make the perfect toddler-friendly, high-protein Trader Joe's breakfast pancakes. This is a bulk baking edition. Off with 2 cups of Greek yogurt, plain, preferably made with whole milk. You can also substitute with vanilla yogurt. I prefer these 5-ounce containers because I can just take 3 of them from Trader Joe's and not have to measure. Next, I add 4 eggs to a bowl with the yogurt. Then I add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You can use any vanilla. I use this one from Trader Joe's. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. I use this one from Trader Joe's. Any salt will do. Then add 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Any brand will do. This comes 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Last, add 1 cup of milk. You can add whole milk or any type of milk, or dairy-free milk, oat milk, almond milk, any will do. Add all ingredients to a bowl and mix until smooth. Once you finish mixing the batter, you can either fry it in a frying pan, use a mini waffle maker to make mini waffles or full-size waffles. My preference, which is the most efficient, is to pour into this silicone baking cupcake muffin baking tray. This is a Figment that I got from Target, and just put it in the oven, 375. Keep it in the oven for at least 20 minutes until you stick it with a toothpick and it comes out clean and the top is golden brown. Once out of the oven, I line it on a pan with parchment paper and I put it in a single layer to flash freeze in my freezer. Into the freezer it goes for 10-15 minutes to flash freeze. Then I take them out. I then put them into a bag and put them in the freezer and microwave them 10 to 20 seconds as needed, or you can eat them fresh, keep them in the fridge. Are sugar-free, however, for my older kids, I sometimes add options of different flavors. My kids really like this one, the Trader Joe's caramel flavored sea salt baking chips, or you can add in semi-sweet chocolate chunks or Nutella or some maple syrup or honey, or you can add in fruits such as blueberries or strawberries. You can make different options, but at the end of the day, now you have healthy, protein-packed, delicious pancakes, which are sugar-free and high protein and a big hit with the kids. You can also top it with some maple syrup or additional butter or anything like that, or you can just eat them plain as my kids like to. Yum, yum, yum.